This is my formal analysis of colored vases. Colored Vases was created by Ai Weiwei in 2006 through 2008, and he used industrial paint on Neolithic vases. These vases date back an estimated 5,000 years, raising criticism of Ai Weiwei's work as an artist and of this individual installation. People claim that this was vandalism, while others claim that it was a form of art expression. He uses vibrant colors to highlight the difference in materials between the old vases and the painted-over vases. There are no straight lines in the piece, simply drips of paint down the vases. This gives the vases a more free-flowing shape versus one that is rigid and exact. The drips give rise to spaces where the paint does not cover the vase, allowing the viewer to see the original clay surface underneath. This creates a contrast between the earthy tones and the vibrant colors, and it reminds the viewers that these are still historical pieces. The open spaces also allows the viewer to see the rough texture of the original clay surface in comparison to the smoother texture of the paint. There's unity in the art created by the consistent use and distribution of vibrant colors. However, because the colors are consistently vibrant throughout, there's no emphasis on any one vase or any area of vases. The size of the vases are relatively similar, making the installation balanced and proportional. There is repetition in the piece in both the color and the shapes of the vases, and this adds to the unity of the entire installation. Additionally, the repetition raises further criticism of Ai Weiwei's work, as he quote-unquote vandalized multiple historic vases, not just the one like he did in his earlier work in 1995 called The Dropping of a Han Dynasty Urn, which is also displayed in this gallery. The vases are laid out on the floor in an open space with nothing around it, thus emphasizing how many there are and making them the focus of the audience's attention. According to the formal theory, Colored Vases is a successful piece of art because the installation uses an innovative use of media and technique, even if people deem this technique to be destructive of historical art. Ai Weiwei is pushing the boundaries beyond what his contemporaries are doing, and he is also using a brave technique for himself. Personally, I don't think this piece is successful. In his earlier work, called The Dropping of a Han Dynasty Urn, he destroyed the urn to symbolize the tyrannical rule of the Mao dynasty in the 1960s, as they were attempting to destroy the historical Chinese culture. Ai Weiwei smashed the urn to point out that a person should feel just as outraged at the Mao dynasty and their actions as they were at Ai Weiwei when he first destroyed the historic urn. However, Colored Vases do not have the same intentions or meaning, and in my opinion is just vandalism of historical Chinese culture. Although a lot of people are still debating this back and forth, and it all comes down to an opinion of whether or not you believe this is vandalism or a new and improved form of expression of art. Thank you.